My dad brought me down from Long Beach Seafood. Y'all come over here, I'm gonna show you what we're talking about. Look at those shrimp right there. Those are extra large Mississippi Gulf Coast shrimp. Hey, Chris, come over here real quick. Get this drop out here. Look, we got a smash one. We got a fatality right there. Get that one out of there. That bad one. Well, go through and make sure you ain't got nothing. But anyway, those are some beautiful shrimp. That's what we got here. We're gonna boil those up. Got my blow pot going. Got the broil boss going. Oh yeah, we're gonna have some fun. Turn that music off. Hey y'all, Joe over here, Southern Coast Cooking. Look, with these beautiful shrimp, before we boil some, I just want to blacken some. Let me show y'all. I got this awesome device from Topish. This is their shrimp peeler deveiner. Let me show you how it works. Basically what you do is you push it in here underneath the shell, okay? And it's got a little razor that cuts the top of the shrimp, okay? And it deveins it, and you also shell it. So all you get popping out here, I'll show you, it's kind of hard to do holding right there. But you get your shrimp right there, and it's already deveined, already peeled and everything else. Let me do another one for you, show you where it's a little bit easier. But basically what you do, you dehead your shrimp first, all right? You take this guy right here and stick it right in there. See the little razor right there? That's going to cut the top of the shrimp. Push it underneath the shell, run it through, and this is basically an all-in-one process. You pull the shell out, you devein, you get everything all in one, and we're going to use this for our blackened shrimp. It's going to be really good. So you got your boom, you got your shrimp all cleaned up, ready to roll. So we're going to blacken some here in just a minute, y'all. All right, y'all, we're going to do some blackened shrimp before we boil the shrimp. But what we've got, melted butter and the best blackening seasoning in the world, y'all. This stuff right here. It's a Heaven Made Products blackening seasoning. Fantastic. Just mix that with some melted butter. Get all the shrimp. We got the PK rolling out here. Open up the PK. I got the field skillet right here. This 8-incher right there, getting screaming hot. I also have a pan here. One of my steak beds from Oyster Bed Company sitting right there. That's what we'll serve them on. What we'll do is, we'll just get a few in there at a time. There we go. Just kind of stir them around, let them blacken. You don't want to overcrowd your pan when you're blackening, folks. There we go. Yep. Just get that. I mean, just let them get good on all sides, and we'll evacuate them over here to the to this steak pan right here. You can actually cook some on that pan. That pan can get under the broiler and everything else. I love that thing, the steak bed. But anyway, we're gonna cook these shrimp for y'all. Oh man, these blackened shrimp are fantastic. I'm telling you what. You just gotta kind of let them do the thing. Let them hang out. Let them get hot. Don't get in a hurry. I'm gonna push the pan over a little bit this way, a little bit hotter over here. But that's what we're doing. There you go. You're gonna just jump around like that. That's right. See it blackened? That's what you want right there. Move over this side. Let's see. Yeah, right there. Oh yeah. That failed skill to get them done. Wish I had a little bit more charcoal in here. We should have pushed the charcoal to the other side a little bit hotter, but
they'll get there.
That's fine. We'll get there. We're about done.
That's all it takes.
That's really all it takes. You don't want a lot of oil or butter in your blackened food because you want to get that little char on the outside. You can throw, I should have had that bacon up out here. You could throw a little bacon fat in there if you had to, and get them rolling. There we go. Over here.
Yeah, I can't reach across that, man. It's burning the hell out of it. Heat on that pan.
All right, man. I think you're done right there. That's about all you're looking for. Go ahead and escape from that steak plate right there. The steak bit. Oh my gosh. We got a sacrifice down there.
Sacrifice.
All right, Heaven Made Products, blackened shrimp. You can't beat that. All right, we'll go ahead and do another batch. Go ahead and taste one for us to see.
You yeah, yeah.
Alright, let's see. I'll taste one. Okay.
Go ahead.
See if any good right here. Taste a small one here. Oh yeah. Oh, you can't beat that, y'all. Fantastic. Love these shrimp. Awesome. Just going to y'all. So I moved them over to the steak bed. They're still sizzling. I'm about to serve them up. Bring them inside, set them on a wood board or something, and that's the perfect blackened shrimp. We're about to put the shrimp in the boiling water here. Basically what we're going to do, we're going to put the shrimp down in the boiling water. As soon as it comes back to a boil, we're going to cut it off, put the boil balls on there, start stirring it around. That's what we're going to do. The shrimp ain't bad. I'll just even set them on down in there. There we go. And let them boil for about a minute or two there. We'll just let that sucker come back to boil. Probably won't take long. We'll just alright. Time for about 2 minutes. So we brought it back up to a boil, okay, somewhat. It's boiled here for about 2 minutes or so. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the boil balls on here. I'm going to show you how we do that. Okay, put the boil balls just hanging off the edge of the tank. Off the edge of the tank, off the, there we go. Just kind of measure it, okay, and we'll turn the water on. And the boil balls is going to cool that water down. Basically, main thing, we don't want these shrimp to overcook, right? So we're going to stir with a metal paddle this pot while the boil balls is on. So let me go get my metal paddle, not my metal paddle, my wooden paddle. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Okay. We'll stir this like a cauldron. We want to stir that basically. And we'll do this for about 15 minutes, set a timer, and just let this just go, and get these shrimp to just perfectly cooked, get all the juice in there, everything we want. We're real good. All right, we're about to dump these shrimps right here. Let's see, look at that. Aren't those gorgeous? Gulf style, or Gulf Coast, Mississippi Gulf Coast shrimp. Right there, there's some beauties. Everybody needs to come on eat. Oh yeah, that's some good shrimp over there. All right, everybody is eating up the shrimp here at the.
Great job, Joe.
Thank you. Yeah, it's a shrimp bowl. Nothing like a good shrimp bowl. So we're tearing them up. They're so good.
Yeah, these are excellent.
Yep.